Yamazaki's fighting style is built on pure Kyokushin discipline, deep stances, brutal low kicks, strong posture, and unwavering toughness. To train like him in real life, you must develop strength, conditioning, technique, and pressure control. Start with the stance. Yamazaki stays grounded and powerful. Practice deep stances like Zenkatsu Daki and Kibadaki. A strong stance gives you balance, stability, and explosive kicking power. Next is body conditioning. Kyokushin fighters are feared because they condition their bodies to handle impact. Use light shin tapping, controlled forearm toughening, and core hardening drills. Build toughness gradually and safely. Durability is Yamazaki's backbone. Now train low kicks. Yamazaki's strongest weapon is his devastating low roundhouse kick. Use your shin, not your foot. Turn your hips fully, pivot your supporting foot, and strike through the target. A single well-trained low kick can shut down any attacker. Add pressure footwork. Yamazaki moves forward like a tank. Practice stepping in, cutting angles, and closing distance without hesitation. Pressure is a weapon. It breaks opponents mentally before physically. Develop close-range striking. Yamazaki excels at fighting in tight space. Train short hooks, uppercuts, elbows, and knee strikes. Compact power wins in close quarters. Train toughness and endurance. Kyokushin fighters push through fatigue and impact. Use high-rep bodyweight exercises, jump squats, circuit drills, and core endurance work. A strong body supports powerful techniques. Sharp and explosive power. Yamazaki looks heavy, but he moves fast. Use plyometrics, jumps, explosive push-ups, fast kicks to generate sudden force. Power comes from hips and core, not just muscle. Practice calm aggression. Yamazaki doesn't scream or rage, he channels silent intensity. Train yourself to stay focused, breathe slow, and apply pressure with complete control. Your presence becomes stronger when your mind stays composed. Finally, embrace discipline. Kyokushin is built on repetition, respect, and consistency. Yamazaki became powerful because he mastered the basics over and over again. Train your kicks, punches, stance, and conditioning daily. Small progress compounds into unstoppable strength. If you master stance, conditioning, low kicks, pressure, close-range power, and mental discipline, you will build the real-life foundation of Yamazaki's Kyokushin power style. Simple, brutal, disciplined, and effective. Stand firm, kick hard, move with purpose.